Right, next part, it is Wednesday afternoon, July 21st, 2021. I went to a Goodwill store looking for wood toys. I have to maybe go to a couple of other stores. I didn't find, I was hoping to find like a wood car or train, something that little boys would be interested in particular. I found this, it had a base which broke when I was attaching it. So now I'm doing a jerry-rigging attachment here, and using super glue. It should work here. So my little girls will like this. Got a nice big smile here. I can't tell what the material is that it's made out of. I thought it was wood, but evidently it isn't. Anyway, this should work here. How we doing, budgie budgies? We're listening to a music CD I bought there of Arlo Guthrie and Pete Segan in concert, 1981. The birds were really enjoying it. I am too. We're all singing along. All right, to be continued. I attached this a candlestick holder, like metal inset and a like wood bird. I set that yesterday. So I'm gonna look for a boy's toy to insert over here on the base. All right, to be continued.